Good morning. So today I'm going to talk about the real-time analytics, that is the mini project for big data analytics. So in this project, to begin with, we will be differentiating between batch and real-time. So we have a lot of data overload issue. That is like a main problem. So traditional batch systems, they are too slow for immediate decision making, leading to data overload and data latency issues. So in today's fast-paced environment, organizations require real-time analytics to make informed decisions. So this section highlights the need for efficient data processing methods. So real-time analytics is very important because traditional batch systems are too slow for immediate decision making, so leading to data overload and latency issues. So yeah, and then moving on to the pipeline, in which the project has been done. First one, you design an efficient Kafka ingestion pipeline. Okay, where you inject or where you inject the data and process streaming data with Spark streaming. So Spark Apache Spark is used for processing the data and storing efficiently all the data, all the live data is stored in Elasticsearch. And finally, for visualization, we use Kibana. So the essential technologies, again, as mentioned, Python. Python, actually, we use Python for generating the data set, and Kafka for injecting the data set, and then Spark for, you use Apache Spark for, what is that, processing the data. So data flow overview, as I mentioned, there is a log data. So basically the data set that I'm using in this project is web log data. So that is generated using Python. And then message broker, basically Kafka is used to inject the data set. Okay. Spark it is used for pre-processing, and data stored for Elasticsearch. Whatever pre-processed data is there, that is stored in the Elasticsearch, and then you use it for indexing. Basically, Elasticsearch is used for indexing, and then Kibana is the visualizer which is used. You can use pie chart, bar chart, any kind of visualization tools. You can create personalized visualization charts using this, as I mentioned. So data flow process overview. First, again, as mentioned, log generation, that is done by Python. Then ingestion of data, it is done by Kafka, Apache Kafka. It is a very reliable source where, the data loss is very minimal. Okay. Data pre-processing, again, here Apache Spark is used. Apache Spark, it converts the incoming data into micro batches. And then indexing the data, Elasticsearch is used for indexing the data. So Kibana visualization metrics. So again, after this, real-time visualization. Now, what are the features of Kibana? That is explained here. So Kibana enables user to see data insights immediately, enhancing decision making. Okay. So decision making process is mainly done using Kibana. So that the real-time analytics or data analysis, it is easier for them to view and understand what is going on. So here we can create dynamic visualization, customizable dashboards. You can use personalized dashboards as well. And also you can interact with the data set, the live data set. The more it gets updated, the dashboard also gets updated along with it. And you have alerting and monitoring system. Kibana facilitates alerting and monitoring system as well. So sample data record. So this is the data set, and the data records sample is timestamp. This is the timestamp, endpoint, login, status, and response time. These are the 4 records which is mentioned. So this is my project. This is what I have been doing, and it is clearly taken. The video is clearly, the execution is clearly shown here. Yes. So I will show you. This is the execution, as I showed earlier. It's very interactive. and this is customized as per my needs. And this is my, this is the data which is being passed on. Thank you.